Hazrat Amr bin Maymun Audi reports, I saw Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu saying, O Abdullah bin Umar, go to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the mother of the believers, and say, Umar sends salutation to you. Then he asks whether he should be buried along with his both companions. She says, I wanted that place for myself, but today I preferred him to myself. When he returned, Hazrat Umar asked, What news have you brought? He said, O chief of the believers, she has granted permission for you. He said, No place was more important to me than this place of rest. When I die, carry me there and submit my salutation. Then say, Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu seeks the permission. If I am granted with permission, bury me there. Otherwise, carry me to the graveyard of the Muslims. I do not consider anyone who deserves the caliphate more than those with whom Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained pleased till his demise. After me, that one is the caliph whom the people will choose, so listen to him attentively and obey him. Then he uttered the names of Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Talha, Hazrat Zubair, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf, and Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas. Meanwhile, a young man from Ansar came and said, O chief of the believers, you have been blessed with a glad tidings from your Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. The status that you enjoy in Islam is well known to you. Then you were appointed a caliph and you promoted justice, and after all these, you embraced martyrdom. He said, O nephew, I wish I would be left with my deeds counterbalanced. I should neither be tormented nor be awarded. I urge my successor to do good to the early emigrants, realize their rights, protect their honor, and I also recommend him to do good to the Ansars who made Medina Munawwara their residence and adopted Islam before others, and that he should value the righteous among them and ignore the wrongdoers among them. And I advise to abide by the rules and regulations defined by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Fulfill the contracts with dhimmis, protected non-Muslim living in Muslim state, fight with others leaving them and not to overburden them beyond their capacity. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1392.